gonna die. Okay, why does your crying sound like that? Shut up. Stop telling me to shut up. This is twice. Oh my god! What was that? 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 What is what? What was that? Don't go out there. Actually, I'm gonna turn on this. Oh my god! Honey, get over here! The tornado's out there! The window's broken! What happened to her mouth? Hello? I'm so scared! I'm so scared! But I hate tornadoes! Yes, I know it's scary, but we gotta do it. It happens like once every 10 years here. Once every 10 years? Yes. Oh my god! That means I'm gonna have to experience it at least 5 times in my life. Yes. Okay, why are the faces like that? I know you're scared, but I know you're scared, but oh my god! Oh my god, I'm so scared! Honey, you made Milo cry. It's not my fault. It's probably just scared of the tornado. I'm gonna die. We're not gonna die. Quit saying that. But we still haven't got our clothes. I know. I'm burning hot. How burning hot are you? I'm like burning to death. It's okay, it's okay. Shh, shh, shh. Okay, I don't know why that's still on. It's okay. Shh, shh, shh. It's okay. Just shh. Okay, you're asleep. I'm gonna gently put you in a stroller. I bet the stroller is comfy. Or maybe you want your bed, but whatever. I'm not gonna make it alive. Like, all this fake crying is making me cough. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am sorry about that. Okay, just calm down, everyone. But we can't. It's so scary. Really love me and chose bed. Quit crying. Everyone get away from the door. Oh my goodness. Okay. You just gotta be. Wait. Help me. We're gonna die. No, we're not. No, we're not. I know this is scary, but we gotta do it, okay? No, we can't. Whoa. We're Let me get alive. My phone. Where's my phone at? Okay, hold on. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Oh my God, we're gonna die. Okay, stop with that high-pitched voice. You're acting like a little girl. Because I am a little girl. You're 16. These two are little girls, even a baby. She's not even a kid yet. She's still a little girl. Because she's little. And she's a girl. I don't care. I don't care about that. I just want to make it out alive. And during the tornado, I hate this. Okay, now let me just have a yawn. Oh my God, my God. Glass shatters. Oh my God, I'm dead. Oh my God, we're gonna die. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna hold a cat. That's my cat. It's our cat. It's everyone's cat. It's just it lives in your room. We're gonna die. Okay, quit saying that. But we are gonna die. Oh my gosh. No, we're not. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay, stop crying. Stop saying that we're gonna die. We're not gonna die. We're gonna die. I said to stop saying that. Layla. Okay, what is here that my nose is bleeding or it's just runny? I'm gonna have to end the video if it, you know. I mean, is it going down that fast? Hopefully it isn't. Breathe, scalpel. Heart, organ, whatever. Bandage. You're not. Hang in there. I think we did it. Oh, you did it. You actually saved me. Okay, we're good. Tell me. It's just running. Hopefully it's it. What do you want, Milo? Stay away from the eggplants. Don't eat them raw. Make sure you cook them next time, okay? Things like that do happen. We're gonna die. Stay alert, okay? We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're not gonna die. We're gonna be alive. We're gonna be safe. This is safe. Wait, there's a window here. Why are we next to the window? I don't know. So far, is it cracking or breaking? Oh my God, we're gonna die. Everyone? Okay, I'm gonna put my phone in stroller. Everyone, hurry up. Over here, now. We're gonna die. Sissy. No, I don't want to dog baby. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Oh my God. We're gonna die. We're not gonna die. Yes, we are. We're gonna die. I can take my friend for the last time. Wait a minute, this is great family time. No one needs to know. No one cares about family time. The window. What do you want, Milo? You're meowing so loud. Wow, what are you doing? Rose. Hi, Bubba. Bubba. Where are you? Bubba, come here. Bubba. Whatever, Milo. You have to call me Cat Bubba sometime. We're gonna die. Get away from the window. Oh my God. Did the window just break? It did. Oh my God. I'm gonna die. You see the tornado? Quit crying. Been crying for non-stop. You've been crying ever since the tornado started. It's already dark out. You've been crying for hours. Okay, this kind of makes it better. We're gonna die. We're not gonna die. Yeah, we're not gonna die. We're not gonna die. Yes, we are. Stop and text my friend. Stop and my boyfriend. Why do you keep forgetting you have a boyfriend? Shut up! And don't tell anyone to shut up. I'm gonna die. Why are all our phones beeping? Beep, beep, beep. Attention, everyone. The tornado is over. We're dead. No. Oh my God. We're alive. Okay, yeah, she's definitely gonna credit herself to sleep. Everyone, let's go. I'll stay here with the babies. I am so happy. This could be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. So yeah. Grab the stroller. I said grab the stroller. Why isn't it grabbing the stroller? Okay, whatever. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Anyways, bye.